home stretch on putting these pistons in. But when I put the last piston in, which happened to be number 2 on this side here, I heard a little click, and I wasn't sure, and I thought, I don't want to go through the trouble of taking that piston out again and checking it, but I thought I might have snapped a ring. Just something in the back of my head. And anyway, I just took it out and it's fine. It's all good. So I've got it all set up here in the ring compressor. Sometimes it would nag at you, right? You're gonna think, why didn't I take that out and take a look at it? For engine assembly lube is this stuff, Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. A lot of people use a Moly based, but this is recommended too. It's really good. It clings to everything, so it should hold very well. So that's it. Now I've got that, and then I got a whole bunch of new rags here. Well, maybe we don't need a cap on that one, huh? What do you think? Probably good to put a bearing cap on there. But if I can't find it, I won't do it. Let's see here. All right, it's over here. Okay, here it is. So I've got the bearing cap here, and I'm just going to make sure it is spotless, which it appears to be. And I've already got the Lucas put on the journal there, so around like this. And this particular engine, both the head bolts and the connecting rod bolts are torqued to yield, which means you torque it to a certain torque value, and then you turn the bolt. I think it's on these ones, I'll have to check, it's 90 degrees more. And on the head bolts, it's 180 degrees more, another half turn. And this is go to 29 foot-pounds and then 90 degrees more. So they're torque to yield. So the bolts actually stretch. So you can't reuse the old bolts for that reason. So these are new connecting rod bolts. The main rod, these are standard torque on these for the main bearings. So they are reusable. But the connecting rod, like I say, those cap bolts have to be renewed. And I've got new head bolts when I get to that point. So what I've done here today is I'm just putting not any torque on them at all. Just for assembling them, I'm just putting them snug as I go in there. But like I say, taking that piston out and taking a look when I thought maybe there's a little glitch with it is prudent, because there's no going back. Once you get it all assembled, you know, that's not the time to find out you've snapped a ring. The KD piston ring compressor is pretty simple. I've had this for years. I've done several engines with it, and when I'm done, I oil it up and I put it in a plastic bag in my toolbox, and it keeps it oily, and it works sufficient for these, you know, semi-occasional engine rebuilds. But there, I'm really glad I checked that.
you.